So in these types of mixture problems, often you can do it conceptually without resorting to algebra. But of course, algebra is also an option if it makes it easier for you to visualize. So if we look at this question, we're starting with 9 ounces of shaving lotion that has 50% alcohol. That means half of it is alcohol, and the rest is water. And we need to end up with a lotion that contains 30% alcohol. And all we're doing is adding water. So the alcohol amount remains the same. That means in this new solution, which is 30% alcohol, the amount of alcohol is the same. So if the amount is, let's say, if the total solution is X, then alcohol is really 30% of X. So notice this is the total amount, including the water. So that would be 0.3X. That means that the total amount of that solution would be 4.5 divided by 0.3, which is 15 ounce. And that means since we're starting with 9 ounce, we just need to add 6 ounces of water. So the answer is D. So you can do it conceptually this way. I mean, I even use this X. You don't need to. You can directly see that the amount of solution would be this. And then go from there. Or you can also set it up algebraically, which is what I personally do. It just helps me to see what's happening. So this is how I would actually do it in the exam. So this has 50% alcohol, which means 4.5 ounce alcohol, and then 4.5 ounce water. And then I know I need to add water, so I'm going to call that X ounces. So that's also going to increase the total solution. And the water here would be 4.5 plus X. So what I know that this amount, is 4.5 is 30% of that. So in many ways, it's similar to the previous setup, but it's just a matter of how you want to visualize this. And then just divide by 0.3 over decimal. That becomes 15. X is 6, and you have your answer. So they're really the same, but it's just a matter of your personal preference, how you set it up. Because in the end, in the exam, you'll have to kind of be able to do this on your own. And I think it's important to just stick to the process or setup that comes most naturally to you. So to recap, the answer is D.